Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add another phone to Find My iPhone. So let's get started. So firstly, open the settings app on the iPhone you want to add to Find My. So after you open the settings, then tap on your Apple ID. After you tap on your Apple ID, scroll down and tap on Find My option, and this will open the Find My settings. If it's not already enabled, toggle the switch next to Find My iPhone to turn it on. You may need to enter your Apple ID or password to confirm, but here we don't have to. So now go to the Find My app, and inside Find My, you will get an option of select the device or choose who to share with. You will see options to share your location with specific people or devices, and you can simply add on plus icon to share your location with another Apple device such as another iPhone. So you can select the device and send the invitations, and if on the other iPhone or device the owner will receive a notification or invitation to share your location, they need to accept the invitation to start sharing the location with your device. So if you have multiple devices you want to add to Find My iPhone, repeat the process for each device. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.